guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video of Facebook ads course, I'm going to teach you how to create brand awareness campaign in Facebook ads. Well guys, I'm not just going to teach you, I'm going to share the basic difference, the main difference of using brand awareness campaign for your brand, for your company. Because if you're not able to understand that why we should run brand awareness campaign, you might be not interested to run brand awareness campaign, right? So let's just understand first and let's create the campaign. So guys, there are several key benefits of using brand awareness for your brand, and those benefits are in the list which I have created. And the first benefit is build trust. Obviously, if you are running your brand awareness campaign on a regular basis and people are watching your brand, people are watching your product or services, they will start trusting you. Eventually, they will start to trust you, and after that, they can convert and become your customer as well, right? So brand awareness helps to build trust. And the second most important benefit is increase market share and sales. As I told you, if the brand trust, if the trust is building, obviously end of the day, that trusted customer basically who are trusting on us will convert, and ultimately it will show up as a sales and increased market share, right? The third benefit is improve brand perception. So if you are a brand that doesn't have a good perception, I mean, if your customers, if your future customers or present customers doesn't have a good perception about your brand, then brand awareness campaigns, brand awareness ads can help you to fix or to improve the perception, brand perception about your brand, right? So this is also a benefit. Acquire audience data. So audience data is basically, let's say you are showing your ad, brand awareness ad, to the thousands of people, and you have that data that you have shown your ads, brand awareness ad, product ads to these type of people. So what you can do is you can use that data in order to run your sales campaign, in order to run your conversion campaigns as well. So this is also a benefit, that you get a premature data which you can convert, right? After that, increased client loyalty. So if you are available everywhere, which means if you are getting seen everywhere, it helps you to increase the brand loyalty, right? People starts believing you, people starts trusting you because you are seen everywhere, you are available everywhere, you are available in every display, every computer, every laptop, mobile phone. So ultimately it helps you to increase brand loyalty, brand visibility, I mean brand trust, right? After that, enhance product recognition. So how it helps you to enhance product recognition? Basically, if you are showing your ad again and again to the same people, which means those particular same audience will try to understand your ad subconsciously, and ultimately they will be able to recognize your product, that this product is belongs to this particular brand, right? So this is how brand awareness ads also helps in product recognition, right? At the end, help in new products. Yes, if you are running your brand awareness campaign on a regular basis, and if you have a new product today, obviously you can market that particular new product to thousands of audience who have already built, right? And this will help you to get instant traction on your new products as well. So these are the benefits, main benefits, key benefits of running your brand awareness campaign. I hope you understood the benefits. Now we are directly going to jump into the campaign creation process. So let's go. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook ads account. Now obviously I'm going to create a campaign. So I have to click on this create button, and once it's load, so in campaign objective, obviously we are going to select awareness because we are going to run brand awareness campaigns, and hit the continue button, and let's directly head into the campaign creation process, right? So this is the 3-step campaign creation process: campaign level, ad set level, and ad level. So we have to configure all these settings one by one. So let's start with campaign level. First we have to name the campaign. Whatever the name you want to add to this campaign, you can name it. Let's say I want to add, awareness campaign, and if I have any particular product, I can add that particular product as well. Right now I'm just adding DM, which means digital marketing, and the date. Right, this is the name I have given. And after that, in special categories we don't have to do anything. Then campaign details, basically we do have two options: bidding type, which is by default set on auction, then campaign objective, which is obviously awareness. And if you click on show more option, you get one more option, which is campaign spending limit. So you, if you want to set your spending limit on a campaign level, you can set it here. You just have to click on edit button and you can add campaign spending limit here, right? Otherwise you can uncheck this box and it will get hidden. After that, we do have A/B testing, and then advantage campaign budget, also known as CBO, campaign budget optimization, right? So if you want, you can turn this option on and you get few more options on a campaign level. First, you get the option to set your budget, whatever the budget you want to set on a daily basis on, or a lifetime basis, right? Basically lifetime budget. So it is totally up to you, whatever the budget type you want to choose. Let's say I want to go with daily budget, which will be 1800 rupees, and it is roughly around $20, and this is my daily budget, and I'm going to spend $20 a day, right? And if you click on edit button here, you can see campaign bid strategy. So this is the bidding strategy, and we are using highest volume. If you want, you can edit this bidding strategy and you get one more option, as you can see, bid cap, right? So these two options you get here. So this is totally up to you, whatever the bidding strategy you want to choose. And you get one more option, which is ad scheduling, right? Run ads on, basically if you want to edit or you want to schedule your ads from here itself, then you have to choose lifetime budget, because with daily budget option you can't schedule your ads, as you can see here. And if you click on edit button here, you only get this checkbox, you not get the settings to schedule your ad from here. Basically if you check this box, you will get the scheduling option in your ad set level, right? Let me show you. Directly get into the ad set level, and here if I scroll a little bit down, here we get this option. Basically we can set the hourly basis. Let's say I just want to run my ads on Monday 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. right? So this is how I can set my ads on hourly basis, right? But this is possible if you are going with your lifetime budget and if you turn this option on, right? If you go with daily budget, it will get reset and you will be not able to add any scheduling, right? You will not be able to do any scheduling. So let's go with daily budget right now. But if you want to go with lifetime budget, you can go, right? Now it's totally done. Hit the next button and let's head over to ad set level. Here again we have to name this ad set. Earlier we have named the campaign. Now here we have to name the ad set. So let me do one thing. Let me add awareness ad set. I'm doing the same thing, DM, and here I'm going to add the date. I'm writing here date, but in your case you should add the proper date, which is, I mean, in whatever the date you are creating your campaign, right? After this we do have performance goals. In performance goals we get these options, and if I click on video view goals, we get few more options. So let me explain you one by one all these options. The first one is maximize reach of ads, and if I read this below line, it says we'll try to show your ads to as many people as possible, basically, right? So obviously as it says maximize reach ads, so it will try to show your ads as many people as possible in your applied budget, right? Budget also a deciding factor. Budget is also a deciding factor, right? Then we do have second option, maximize number of impressions. So here Facebook will try to bring the maximum number of impressions. It doesn't matter if it is showing the ads to the same person or not, but it will try to bring impressions as much as possible. right? And if we read this line, we'll try to show your ads to people as many times as possible, as you know, as you can see, because it will help to increase the impression, right? And the second option is maximize ad recall lift. So ad recall lift is basically the potential people. Basically Facebook will try to show the ads to the potential people who will remember your ad, who will recognize your ad, right? So basically Facebook tries to find the people who can recognize your ad, and this option will show your ad to that particular type of people, right? Then in video view goals, we do have two options only. The first one is maximize through play views. So through play videos is like Facebook tries to show your video to the people who are likely to watch the entire video. But if it is 15 seconds, basically Facebook promise you that will show your ad to the people who will watch your videos till 15 seconds. So if the whole video is of 15 seconds, basically the whole video length is 15 seconds, then the audience will watch the full video. But if it is longer than 15 seconds, then Facebook promise you that the user who is watching this particular ad will watch at least 15 seconds. So this option helps you to show your ads till 15 seconds, right? Then we do have the second option, which is for 2 seconds only, continuous 2 seconds, which means Facebook will try to show the ad to the people who are likely to watch your videos continuously for 2 seconds, right? So this is what you get in these two options. So it depends on you. Whatever the goal you have, you can choose according to that, right? As you can see, you can choose this one, you can choose anyone. It depends on you. So I'll be going with the first one, which is maximize reach of ads. Then here you have to select your page, which has been already selected, and here you can set your cost per goal, because in the campaign level we have chosen as let me show you. In the campaign level, here the bidding strategy, we have chosen highest volume. If you select bid cap, then you will be able to apply the cost per result goal, right? But right now you are not able to apply it, so it is totally up to you. Now if I scroll a little bit down, here you will get show more options. If you click on this, you get frequency capping, right? And frequency capping and when you get charged. So it is by default set on impression based, but you can edit the frequency capping. So by default it is set on 1 impression every 7 days, right? If you want, you can change it to whatever the impression you want. Let's say I want 10 impression, or maybe 7 impression on every 7 days. You can set it by this, right? Now if I scroll a little bit down, here we do get one more option, dynamic creative. If you want, you can turn this option on, but I don't want to use any dynamic creative, so I'm leaving this option as it is. And here we do have budget and schedule. So budget we have already done in our campaign level after turning on the campaign budget optimization, right? So here what we can do is we can just schedule our campaign. Basically if you don't want to run your campaign from today onwards, so what you can do is you can set the start date, even you can set the end date as well. So your campaign will automatically start on the specific date which you have added, and it will get turned off on the specific date you have added. After this you get show more option. If you click on this, here you get add set spending limit. So basically if you want to add spending limit on a ad set level, you can use this option, right? You just have to hit the edit button, check this box on, and here you can set the limit, right? Let me hide this option, and here you have this custom audience option. Basically if you have previous audience which you have created, lookalike audience, custom audience, you can use those audience in order to run your brand awareness campaign. So people do use these audiences to run brand awareness campaign, because obviously you want to show your ad to the same people, to the same targeted people, right? So for that you can use your custom audience and lookalike audience, right? And if you don't know how to create your lookalike or custom audience, you can watch our previous videos where I have shown you how to create custom and lookalike both, right? and if you want to exclude any kind of audience, you can do that as well from the exclusion button, using the exclusion button, right? And just scroll a little bit down, and here you'll get the location, basically where you want to target, the location you want to target, right? You can do targeting on a country basis, on a city basis, on an area, on a postal code basis. So this is totally up to you, whatever the uh, location you want to target. And if you want to exclude any location, if you want to exclude any city, specific area, specific postal code, you can do that as well. You just have to toggle this, you just have to change this from include to exclude, and search the location and add it, right? After this, you have one more option, which is add bulk location. If you want to use basically if you want to add bulk locations, then you can use this option, otherwise you can leave it. Then we do have age options. So this totally depends on your business nature, that which age bracket suits your brand, right? Let's say if it is real estate business, I'm taking a few examples, right? If it is real estate business, then the age bracket should be around 30 to oops yeah 30 to maybe 60 or 65. It can be the age bracket for the real estate business, right? But if it is, let's say you are a digital marketing institute who sells digital marketing course, so it can be, the course can be from age the age bracket can be from 18 to 40 or maybe 35. So this can be the age bracket who want to learn digital marketing and want to make career in it, right? So this is how you have to set your age bracket. Basically, first you have to find out the suitable age bracket for your business, then you have to set it. Then again you have to set the gender as well. Basically it depends, again it depends on your business, that if it is your brand is just for men's, then you have to select men's, and if it is for women's, then you have to select women, otherwise you can select all. Then we do have detailed targeting option. Basically you can here you can define your audience on a demographical basis, interest and behavior basis, right? So if you want to use detailed targeting, you can use it. You can browse the options which are available in Facebook platform. These are the demographic basis option, then these are interest basis option, then behavioral basis option, right? After that, language, by default it is set on all language, but if you want, you can change it to any specific language which your audience speaks, your target audience speaks, right? After that, if you scroll a little bit down to the end of this page, here you get the placement options, where we do get mainly two options. The first one is advantage placement, advantage plus placement, which is recommended, and basically it helps you with the placement. Facebook's AI algorithm find out the best placements for your business, for your types of business, and place your ads there, right? But if you know that if you have any previous data that on which device, on which platform your ad perform well, then you can use manual placement as well, right? In manual placement you can set the placement on a device basis, like if you want to show your ads on mobile or desktop, you can choose it from here. You can set the platforms as well. Let's say you just want to run your ads on Instagram, so you can uncheck these boxes, right? So you get four options, whatever the option you want to choose, you can choose it, right? After that, here you get the placement options in different platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, on reels, on short stories, everywhere. And every option you get here, you can customize according to yourself, basically according to your business, right? After that, show more option is here. Here you also get few more extra customization options, like you can set the operating system as well. Basically, let's say you just want to show your ads on iOS devices, so what you can do is you can just check this box and you are done. But for now I'm going with all devices. But if you select all iOS devices, here you can set the devices as well. Let's say you don't want to show your ads on iPads, you just want to show your ads on iPhones, even not on iPods, so you can remove those, right? So this is how the thing works. But I'm going with all mobile devices, and you have one more option which is only when connected to Wi-Fi. So what you can do is you can show your ads to the devices which are connected to Wi-Fi. You just have to turn this option on, right? And few more options you get here, like exclude skippable ads, and extra options few are here, right? So this is all about ad set level. Let's jump into the ad level where the real magic happens. We have done with our targeting, but now we have to create our ad, right? Because if we are not creating the appealing ad, if the ad is not appealing, then we are not going to get any result, right? So we have to create an appealing creative ad. So let's start. First we have to name the ad, whatever the name. Let's say I'm adding, let me remove the new. I've removed the new awareness ad. Here I'm again adding DM, which is digital marketing, and date. So this is the format I'm using throughout the campaign, right? Now here you have to select the page which is already been selected. Here you have to select your Instagram. So the Instagram has been selected. Now here we have to set up our ad. What you want to choose, single image or video, carousel or collection. So it is totally up to you. Let's say if you choose carousel, right? So select the carousel and scroll a little bit down, and here you can add the images, right? So you can add at least two or more than two. Click on cards, add new card. Even you can add the videos as well, carousel videos, right? But I'm going with the images. So I do have only few images. If I want, I can upload it as well from my device. So let's upload few. If I have, let's upload these thumbnails, one, and let's upload this one as well, and hit the open button, and these are getting uploaded. And yeah, the images are uploaded. Now let's choose few images, 1, 2, 3. So we have chosen 3 images. Hit the continue button, and the 3 cards has been added, right? As you can see, 1, and if I scroll a little bit down here, we do have 2 more, right? So we have to first we have to write the headlines for all the cards which we have added. So right now I'm just adding the demo, or let me write something. So this is a real estate image, so I'm adding home for sale, which is right. And in the description I'm adding demo, demo, demo to save time, right? And here you can add the website URL. Now scroll a little bit down. Once you are done with your creative, do the same thing with your other creatives as well. This is digital marketing, this is for digital marketing, so I'm adding digital, and these are totally demo basis. On a demo basis, I'm not using these images, I'm not going to run this ad, right? I'm just showing you how to create the campaign, right? You don't have to use creatives like this. I'm using one from real estate, I'm using another one from digital marketing, but you can't do like that. You can't use both all the creatives in your one campaign. You have to create separate campaigns for separate businesses, right? So make sure you are not doing these kind of practices. I'm just giving you the demo, I'm just showing you the process. Here I'm adding digital marketing course, then demo, demo, demo. This one has been done, and now hit the third one, and here I'm writing Facebook ads course, right? And again demo, demo, and demo. So I've done with the headline and the description for all the creatives. Now I have to scroll a little bit down, and here I'll get, let me scroll it a little bit more, and here we have to add the primary text. So primary text is been already selected here. If you want, you can use it, otherwise you can create another one, right? But to save time, I'm not using, basically I'm using this primary text, and here you can add call to action button. So whatever the call to action button you want to choose, you can use it. Let's say you want to choose send message, right? So you can use this and your call to action will be shown here, as you can see, right? Now if I scroll a little bit down, here you get one more option. The first one is website, where you can send your traffic or the audience to your website. Otherwise you can create one instant experience. Basically it is a kind of small website with one page, one single page, where you can show up your products or the service, latest product service which you are providing to your customers, right? So either you can use this or use this, or at the end we do have one WhatsApp option as well. You can directly send your traffic to the WhatsApp as well, right? So we already know about this website one, and already know about this. You just have to add the phone number, mobile number for your website, right? And here you have to add the URL of your website or the landing page. But here you have to create the instant experience kind of thing, right? So how you can create, just hit the create one, and here you get these templates. So if you want to tell the story of your brand, you can use this. If you want to just acquire the customer by showing up your products, basically displaying your product, you can use this. If you want, again you want to sell your product with catalog, without catalog, you can this, you choose this one. If you want to create any AR experience for your business so that people can experience the product which you are providing on a augmented reality, right, then you can choose this one. But let's start with the simplest one, which is customer acquisition. Select this one, hit the next button, and this kind of window will appear in front of you, where you can create your instant experience, right? So let me just close this, and the instant experience page will be looking like this, right? So multiple products are here, as you can see, 1 2 3. And what you can do is you can replace the image and you can replace the content, and this will be working as a landing page for you, right, where you will be showing up your product. Basically you will be showing off your products, right, displaying your products. So let's do with the first image. Let's replace it with this image, our all-time favorite. We are using this image from our from past maybe 10 videos, right? Here you can add the destination URL. If the user clicks on this image, the URL will open. Basically the user will redirect to that particular URL. So let's add our marketing fundas URL. This is the website. Let's copy it and paste it here, right? You can add the text. I'm adding demo, right? So this was the heading, this was the content. So here again I'm adding demo. This is just to save time. Obviously you have to create your content which is appealing and which describes your product, right? So you have to do with all the images which are added here, 1 2 3 4, or whatever the images you want, and your website will look like this, right? I have shown you with the first one. Even you can add the content to the button as well. Right now it is here, write something, so you can change it to buy now or to learn more about the product, like this, or you can directly add buy now button, right? Here it is showing up as a buy now, and here what you can do is you can add the destination URL of the particular product, right? So that the user can click on the buy now button and the user will land on the particular product page. So this is how we do it, right? I hope you understood. Once you are done with your creation, just hit the done button and your instant experience has been created. I hope you understood the process, and now you can use whatever the option you want. If you want to choose instant experience, if you want to choose your own website or WhatsApp, you can use it, right? Now after this we do have some tracking options. You can set up your events, website event, you can set it, you can set up your pixel properly so that you don't miss any important data, and after that at the end you can set up your URL parameters, right? So this is how you can create your campaign for brand awareness. and get these benefits which I've shown you in the starting of this particular video, right? So I hope you understood the process, and if you like the video, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you still have any question, query, or any kind of confusion, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.